my 2019 Harley Davidson Road Glide, all black with the chrome, and this is the stock windshield. We're just gonna go through the park, and I've been riding my bike for about 2 weeks now, 2.5 weeks now, and I absolutely love it. I've noticed that a lot of people have the Klock Werks windshield on their bikes, so I'm getting ready to put one on and just see how it looks style-wise. I want to see if it improves my ride, you know, so this should be fun. So I'm going to take it on back home and do a quick install of the windshield, swap them out, and we're going to see how it looks. Got a barbecue going on down here. Okay. Once again, this is my stock windshield. Ooh. For my 2019 Road Glide. It's already tinted. I absolutely love it the way it is, but I feel like the Klock Werks can give me, you got to be careful with driving on leaves and gravel. I normally lean on turns, but you got to play it safe. But I want to get that sportier look to my bike and see how I like it. So we're gonna get home, unbox this Klock Werks windshield, throw it on, and I'll be back. Oh, great. What? That's awesome. We have from Klock Werks. Let's check it out. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna set this down. What do we have? Alright, so we got the Klock Werks shield next to the 2019 Road Glide standard stock windshield. So the Klock Werks has this little flip at the top. Can you see it? And then the stock just goes straight up. Is my Klock Werks shield. I'm about to take it for a little test ride and see if I notice any difference. Let's go. Look at that thing right there. Ooh. Okay, I now put my Klock Werks shield on, dark smoke, and this thing looks dope. I'm straight excited. Like, it gave my bike a totally different feel when I put it on. I'm definitely loving the sportier look, and I'm gonna be honest, the flip at the top actually works, because right now I'm riding and I normally feel the wind like hitting me right inside my helmet, and it's not. So that's interesting, because I don't think this was that much taller than my old stock shield, but I definitely think that kick at the top that flips it up, I think it definitely does something different with the wind, and I'm loving it. If I don't have my shield down, my visor on my helmet, I would have to like squint a little bit, but I'm riding and no wind is hitting me right here, so it's definitely flipping that air up, and I'm loving it. So I'm just gonna do just ride, put my music on. Shout out to Klock Werks for the chill. It's so dope. It's so dope. I definitely recommend it. When I put it on, I looked at my bike, I'm like, dang, that thing look good. So I highly recommend it, even just for the looks, but also riding. I'm like, good without my visor down. I don't have my glasses on or anything. So I'm about to just ride, and you can just kind of ride with me and enjoy the ride. Water everywhere. Whenever I go over water like that, I just grab my clutch, cut the engine off, cut the power to the engine, whatever, and just ride it through.
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that even when I'm crying crazy. Yeah, I got boy problems, that's the human in me. Bling bling, then I solve them, that's the goddess in me. You could have had a bad not committal, help you with your career. Just a little. You supposed to hold me down, but you're holding me back, and that's the sound of me not calling you back. Why men great till they gotta be great? Don't text me, tell it straight to my face. Best friend set me down in the salon chair. Shampoo press, get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bomb lighting. New man on the Minnesota Vikings. Truth Hurts needed something more exciting. That you thought you ever had it, no, you ain't from the start. Hey, I'm glad you're back with your bitch. I mean, who would wanna hide this? I will never, ever, 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 ever be your side chick. I put the singing single, ain't worried about a ring on my finger. So you can tell your friend, shoot your shot when you see him. It's okay, he already in my DM.